So this is the power of money market. Okay, so that's why investors are running and rushing and looking forward to invest in money market. Now we discuss about why to invest in money market. What is the benefit of investing in money market? But wait. First of all, how much return can we assume from money market? It is most important thing. You can assume 7 to 8% return from money market. Yes, it is lower than stock or mutual fund, but it is far better than your lazy bank or FD. Okay, it is better than FD or bank, and it is the middle thing that those who have to run safely in their financial journey. Okay, again back to the topic, why we have to invest in money market. Money market is safer than your crypto or stocks because money market is bond by government. It is safe because the government is involved in money market. That's why we have can invest safely in money market with a blind eyes. Okay. And most important, you can withdraw your money anytime from anywhere. If you have an emergency or you do not like that fund, you can withdraw easily. No locking period is there in money market. So it's cool. So now we come on a most questionable topic. Who can invest in money market? So there are 3-4 lines, 3-4 questions in that. तुम उनमें से एक भी हो तो प्लीज तुम मनी मार्केट में जाओ, तुम्हारा रिस्क से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. सो इफ यू चेक योर स्टॉक और पोर्टफोलियो प्राइस इन एवरी 5 मिनट्स एंड गेट एंजाइटी अटैक, सो प्लीज स्टे अवे फ्रॉम स्टॉक मार्केट एंड गो फॉर अ मनी मार्केट. तुम्हारा स्टॉक में कुछ काम नहीं है, तुम मनी मार्केट में ही ठीक हो. 8 से 9% का रिटर्न इनफ है आपके लिए. एंड फॉर यू, if you want a safe return and don't trust your bank returns, so you can go for a money market. if तुम बैंक ट्रस्ट नहीं करते हो कि ये मुझे 4-5% देगा, कोई मतलब नहीं है उसका, वर्स्ट है. बट मनी मार्केट तुम्हें 8 से 9% देगा. पर स्टॉक मार्केट तो तुमको ले ही डूबेगा. तो फिर तुम मनी मार्केट में ही ठीक हो. प्लीज गो फॉर मनी मार्केट, इट्स गुड. And most important, if you have some amount of money for a short term, and if you are looking for an investor for a short term and get return with safely, so you can go for a money market because money market have no locking period. That I say previously, you can withdraw your money anytime from anywhere, but it's take time.